Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Crypto Disco. Today we're taking a look at XCN ONYXCOIN. It's one of my favorite low cap uh, tokens I follow. Got a little bit of bag in, and it's one of my moon plays that got in order. And taking a look at it, something interesting just happened this morning. We're looking at the 1 hour chart. I mean, the price action itself isn't huge or significant. We only went up from, in the last hour, 0.00122 and shot up to 0.0013. So not even a tenth of a penny that it shot up at almost. But what's really interesting is just look at the volume. Like, it just shot up. Look at it, 70 million in volume in 1 hour, which is insane. We haven't seen that type of volume on a buy or sell day. And that was 53 million on that big sell. Let's see what else we got. The last one, so what was this buy day? 68 million, so getting close. 85 million. So that was all 10 days ago. We saw sell volume that big. We haven't seen a big green candle like that for a while with that much volume. But if you look at it, it's quite interesting because no news, right? I haven't seen anything come out on it. The overall market is still really weak. But it's been holding support. You see that, like everything else, it's been in a downtrend. Obviously, this is hourly chart, but take a look at it this past several days here. Boom, it's still going down. We're at 0.002, and it's just been dropping, held steady at about 0.16, and then tanked when the rest of the market tanked, and Bitcoin dropped everything else down. Of course, Ethereum been super weak, especially against Bitcoin, and all of its tokens have been following. Then it's ranging sideways up a little bit, and then boom, tanks again, held strong support at 0.001, and then sharp spike up and is going sideways again. So taking a look here, I mean, we've been holding ever since we came back after touching 0.001. We're holding here at 0.00115, and really the ceiling right now, the resistance, is at 0.0013. So it's really interesting that we had this huge spike in volume of 78 million in 1 hour, and we didn't break 0.0013. So that's still holding. Sellers are still holding there, and they drove it right back down, as you can see. Still coming down back right now. So we're interesting to see if it's going to go sideways a little bit more and consolidate and try to shoot back up against 0.0013 again, or if it's going to get rejected lower back down past the 0.00115, if it's going to come back down and test that support level. So that's where we're sitting at right here in this range. 0.0013, or I'm sorry, 15 and 0.0013 is where we're going. With this amount of volume, let's see if it's going to pick up some momentum today and try to bust out of that range here and go up, and we'll sit between 0.0013 be the new support. Be looking at 0.0015 as a new resistance range. See if we can get some movement on here. It's one that's interesting. I think it's got a bright future. Get some real world utility out of it. And obviously, we'll see what happens though, because the rest of the market is getting pounded right now. But check back in. We'll keep updating this as this goes along. See if anything exciting happens. And see if we can get it to the moon one day. If not, hopefully it just doesn't die off slowly and nothing ever happens to it. But I think there's some excitement behind it, the new white paper, and we'll go from there. As always, like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next one.